Hi everyone, welcome back to rehanaskitchencorner. This video I am going to show Fatayer. Fatayer is a Middle Eastern meat pie popular throughout the Middle East. They can have a variety of fillings from meat to cheese or spinach. It is a part of Arab cuisine and is eaten in Iraq, Syria, Egypt, Lebanon, Jordan and Palestine. For the dough, we need 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, lukewarm milk, 1 1/4 cups. Let it sit for 10 minutes until yeast proofs. Then you can add 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon olive oil, all-purpose flour 3 cups. Mix it well until everything combined together. Knead it well with a stand mixer if you have, otherwise you can knead it by hand. Knead until a soft and smooth dough appears, and then you can drizzle some oil and you can cover with a kitchen towel and let it sit for at least 2 hours in a warm place until the dough rises. While the dough is rising, let's prepare the meat filling. Heat a pan, add 2 pounds of minced beef. Break the meat as it cooks and you can drain in any extra fat as it comes from the meat. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil and let it saute for another 2 more minutes. Onion 1 finely chopped. Then you can saute for 1 minute. Then add 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped and let it saute until the onion becomes translucent. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix it well until everything combined together. Add paprika powder 1 teaspoon, or you can adjust. Cumin powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, or you can adjust. Salt to your taste. Add everything and mix it well. Add half cup of water and cover and cook it for at least 5 minutes. Make sure to stir in between. Your filling for the Fatayer is ready. Now you can turn off the heat and let it cool. After 2 hours of resting, your dough is ready. You can punch it few times and then you can transfer to a working surface. Dust the surface with a little flour and then you can mix it well with your hand. Divide the dough into equal size, however the size you want. If you want a small Fatayer, you can make small balls. I'm making here kind of like a big size, so I'm making only 10. Cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of resting, you can dust some flour on the working surface and then you can roll the dough into a small circle. You can add 2 tablespoons filling in each circle and flatten the filling, and then you can top it with a little mozzarella cheese. You can dab a little water on the edges of the dough with a brush and then bring the edges together at the top. Pinch to seal, stop halfway, bring the bottom edges up to the center. Pinch to seal, forming a triangle. Be sure the edges are sealed very well. Here I mix some of the vegetable with the made vegetable like broccoli and stir fried cabbage. You can use any filling of your choice. And for boat shape Fatayer, you need to slightly stretch rolled out dough to form an oval shape. Place filling and roll up the longest side. Take one end, roll and pinch. Do the same on the other side. You can add some cheese on top, and similar way you can make the rest of the Fatayer. Let it sit for like 10 minutes and then you can do the egg wash just before baking. 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it well and then you can brush it on the sides of the Fatayer. Finally, you can sprinkle some black and white sesame seeds on top, and then you can bake it in the preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until it's golden brown. Once it's ready, you can transfer to a cooling rack and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. Your meat Fatayer is ready to eat now. This is a perfect snack and you can make it for even dinner. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.